Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set or change your homepage in Mozilla Firefox step by step, whether you want to set Google, YouTube, or any other website as your homepage. This method works 100% and it's super easy. So let's get started. First of all, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, take a look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to select Settings. Now that you're inside the settings, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is called Home. Click on that. And now, on the right-hand side, you'll see different customization options for your homepage. Under the section called New Windows and Tabs, you'll find an option labeled Homepage and New Windows. This is where you can choose what page Firefox opens when you start the browser or open a new window. By default, it may be set to Firefox Home, which includes shortcuts, search, and other recommended content. To change this, click on the drop-down menu next to it. You'll see 3 options. The first option is Firefox Home, which is the default home page that includes shortcuts and a search bar. The second option is Blank Page, which means every time you open Firefox, you'll see a completely empty page with nothing on it. And the third option is Custom URLs. And this is what we need to select if you want to set your own homepage. Once you select Custom URLs, a new box will appear where you can enter the URL of the website you want to set as your homepage. For example, if you want Google as your homepage, just type google.com in the box. Now let's say you already have a web page open that you want to set as your homepage. Instead of typing the URL manually, you can simply click the Use Current Page button and Firefox will automatically set that page as your homepage. There's also another option. If you have a web page saved in your bookmarks that you want to set as your homepage, you can click on Use Bookmark. This will allow you to select a website from your bookmarks and set it as your homepage with just one click. Once you've selected your preferred homepage, you don't need to do anything else. Firefox will automatically save your changes. Now just close the Settings tab and you're all set. To test if everything is working, close Firefox completely and reopen it. If you did everything correctly, your homepage should now load automatically every time you start the browser. And that's it. Now you know how to set your homepage in Firefox in 2025, and it works 100%. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.